Hello everyone, today we are here with a follower of Sant Rampalji Maharaj to understand why his follower and to saying and that he is different to other as compared to other spiritual leaders. So first of all, what's your name and how old have you been following Sant Rampalji Maharaj?
Hi, my name is Subhash and I have come from district Rudraprayag and I've been following Sant Rampalji Maharaj since last 11 years. Yes.
So there are many spiritual leaders in our country. According to you, what makes Sant Rampalji Maharaj different from other spiritual leaders?
The main reason what makes Sant Rampalji Maharaj different than others is the way of worship. The way of worship which Sant Rampalji Maharaj ji provide, that is as per our holy scriptures. That's why he is a different and he is the only one.
So what inspired you personally to choose this spiritual part?
What inspired me, honestly telling you, I was indulged in so much intoxication. I was so much alcoholic. I used to smoke 10 to 20 cigarettes within 1 or 2 hours. So when I came to know about the a book Gyan Ganga, I read that thoroughly, and then I took name initiation by Sant Rampalji Maharaj. So I got so much benefits from Sant Rampalji Maharaj. I left my intoxication habit, and I got so much benefits. I got good job. My health is so good. So that's why.
So, and one more question, many people have different opinions and even doubts about his teaching. What would you like to say to them?
There is no base of rumors. If you believe on the rumors, then there is no point. Just go through the knowledge which is provided by the Sant Rampalji Maharaj. Read the book thoroughly. There is a book called Gyan Ganga or Way of Living, Jeene Ki Raah. You can read that thoroughly and compare the given knowledge, which knowledge given by Sant Rampalji Maharaj, tally it with the Bhagavad Gita. Right? You will come to know what is right or what is wrong.
So, our final question is nowadays many young people are searching for peace and especially spiritual direction. So, what message would you like to give to the youth who are looking for true peace and purpose in life?
As I just said, there is a book written by Sant Rampalji Maharaj, Way of Living, Jeene Ki Raah. If you are looking for your physical benefits or your mental peace, just read that book and take Naam initiation, Naam Diksha by Sant Rampalji Maharaj, and follow the condition which he said. You have to follow the condition throughout your life. So you will realize what is the real peace. So my humble request to my young generation, my young brothers and sisters, please read the book and take Naam Diksha by Sant Rampalji Maharaj. You will come to know what he is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.